Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to know who visits your Instagram profile. First, open your Instagram app. Go to your profile by clicking your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then click the menu bar at the top right corner. Click Settings, then tap on Account. Scroll down and click to Professional Account. Then, just click Continue. Pick what best describes you. Then, tap Done. Choose if you are a creator or it is for business. Then, tap Next. Once you've done that, your account is ready. Click the Professional Dashboard. Then, click See All at the top right corner. Then click Accounts Reach. In here, you will know how many people visit your profile. Just scroll down and you can see the profile visits. It tells you how many people visits your profile. And that's it. That's how you will know how many people visits your Instagram profile. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.